So I'm walking to the bushwalk, which leads to my special beach place. But the tide's a bit high, so I think I'm gonna have to walk through the water a little. See that little, like, where the bushes are? I need to get to there. Here I am trekking it through the water. No, it's not that bad. It's like only just my feet. I wish I had stairs that led to the sea. Alright, getting there, we're getting there. Okay, so we made it to the walk. Someone's left a bag of like 3 packets of chips. They're full. Alright, so up the stairs we go. It's a little bit of a rainforest vibe. Or a wind forest, because it's so windy. Nice trees. Cool. I don't know if I should have shoes on, but I don't. So, more stairs. Ooh, that's pretty. Going. Oh, the Ninja Turtles live in there. Hey guys. Some more views. Some more trail. God, it's pretty. Ow, ow, ow. The water's so pretty down there. I wish you could see it. Ooh la la. The water's like actually clear. Just let some bushwalkers overtake me because I hate it when people see me talking to nobody. Well, you guys, but nobody.
That he was allergic to.
Yeah.
Was it like?
So see that little chain there hanging off the rock? You actually have to climb down that to get to the beach. I'm carrying a big camera and my beach bag and a towel makes it a bit difficult, but I made it. I'm a pro, so here we are. The entire length of this beach. Done. And here I am exfoliating my legs. Beach sand just makes them so soft. Look how bright my nails are underwater. Whoa. Just thought I'd show you guys what I brought along with me. And the book I was reading. And my cute selfie. And then here I was planning on talking to you guys, but the wind was way too crazy and you couldn't hear anything. So basically I was saying that was my day at the beach, the sun was setting and I was leaving.